Hi, this is Dr. Tracy Moreno. Welcome to this meditation on processing and healing emotions. The goal of this meditation is to be able to process your emotions so that you can release and heal from them. Before we begin, I do want to warn you that I'm going to ask you to recall the situation that is causing you pain and visualize it. So if you're ready, go ahead and find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lay. Gently close your eyes and begin to breathe. Breathe slowly. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Be aware of your body and your breath. There's something in your life causing you pain. You are strong and brave because you're here right now, prepared to face that pain so that you can be free of it. Now think of what's causing you pain. Envision the situation playing out in your mind, but watch it in third person as a witness. Watch it like you're watching a movie. And remember, you are not there, and this is no longer happening. Whatever happened to you is over, and you're safe now. As you remember what happened to you, process what's going through your mind. What are you thinking? Make a mental note of these thoughts. Now take a moment and process through all of the different emotions you're experiencing. In your mind's eye, slowly scan your body from head to toe and see if you can feel those emotions physically anywhere in your body. Make a note in your mind of where you feel it and focus on these areas. What does it feel like? Try to verbalize the physical sensation in these areas and describe what you're feeling. This part is really important. It helps us build a mind-body connection, which is critical for processing emotional pain. Inhale deeply And with each breath, send some love to those areas in your body, the areas that you are feeling that pain physically. In your mind, talk to those areas of the body and let them know that you're all safe. What happened to them is over. Speak to them as if you would speak to someone you love to comfort them through their pain. Feel the comfort in your words. Inhale deeply and feel those words resonate through your entire body. Make a mental note of the words that you told those areas of your body. What did you tell them to comfort them? And when you're ready, come back to the present moment and gently move your hands and toes and open your eyes. Take a moment to assess how you feel right now. The words that you told yourself, the words of comfort, I want you to write those down, and those will be the affirmations to yourself moving forward. If you were able to feel your emotions anywhere physically in your body, also write those down. And take note if that area corresponds with any of our chakras. If so, this could be a chakra that is blocked. You can easily look up chakras and their locations online if you're not already familiar with them. Look for what those particular chakras are associated with and what a blockage could mean. If you can identify with its meaning and it's congruent with the pain, then I recommend doing some energy work to open these chakras. On Insight Timer, you can look up guided meditations and music that can balance all of your chakras, or you can look up the specific chakras by name and focus your energy work on those by searching for them by their specific name. Repeat this meditation as often as you need to. The goal is that each time you do it, the emotional intensity decreases a little bit more each time. Good luck to you on your journey of healing.